Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide and unhide apps on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to select the app that you wish to hide. So let's say we wish to hide this one. So you're going to long press on it and then you'd see an option that says require Face ID. Simply click on that and click on hide and require Face ID. Simply let it scan your Face ID, click on hide app over here. And now you can see that application has been hidden. Now in order to unhide that, you gotta swipe to the right, go to your app library, scroll to the bottom and you'll see a folder of hidden. Click on that, verify using your Face ID and you'll be able to see the hidden app. Now if you wish to unhide it, you gotta long press on it again and then it says don't require Face ID. Simply click on that and now verify using your Face ID again and now you can see that app has been unhidden. So that is basically how you can unhide and hide apps on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.